Advanced English Vocabulary, brought to you by English Phrases and Idioms Online. Alias. Alias. An alias is an assumed name, a false name, a pseudonym, etc. It is any name that someone uses other than their legal or given name. This includes names used by criminals to evade law enforcement, a name used by a spy or undercover agent, a stage name used by a performer, an author's pen name, or even a name used on social media. Although alias is a noun, it is also used as an adverb to mean the same as aka or also known as, but only for people, not objects. Lawrence Turode, alias Mr. T, became famous as a cast member of the classic TV show The A-Team. Usage notes. Although an alias technically refers to any assumed name, the term is usually reserved for those names adopted by criminals, spies, undercover agents, etc. An author's assumed name is usually called a pseudonym, a pen name, or a nom de plume. A performer's assumed name is usually called a stage name. A name used on social media is called a screen name or username. Examples of how to use alias in a sentence. The FBI agent's favorite alias was Crockett A. Tubbs for obvious reasons. Al Capone, alias Scarface, was a notorious mobster during the Prohibition era in Chicago. We have reason to believe the suspect is in Jackson Hole and is using an alias. A co-conspirator of John Wilkes Booth, Lewis Thornton Powell, alias Lewis Payne, attempted to assassinate Secretary of State William Henry Stewart at the same time that Booth assassinated Lincoln.